Hi, I'm Katrina Pike, and today at Pickering Museum Village, we're exploring simple machines. So imagine, if you will, that the blacksmith has made for you an entire barrel of nails for you to pick up. It might not be a very big barrel, but I guarantee it's going to be heavy. So to get it out of the blacksmith shop is going to be a lot of work. And then to get it into a vehicle is going to be a lot of work. There's an easier way, and if we use a simple machine called an inclined plane, we can make this job easier. An inclined plane is a simple machine with one part. And what it does is it helps you reduce or make smaller the amount of muscle power you need to move an object up or down. So for example, now that the barrel is outside the blacksmith shop, let's roll it up the inclined plane. What force I'm exerting is called pushing, and I can push the barrel up the inclined plane and into the blacksmith shop. That was a lot easier than carrying it with my hands. Now I can also push the barrel down the inclined plane, and I can guarantee that's even easier because gravity is helping us. It's pulling it to the earth for us. Now, we can change the angle of the inclined plane. So let's play around a little bit and see what that does. If we make it steeper, what do you think that's going to do to the force that I need to apply to that barrel to get it up that plane? Any ideas? It almost makes the job harder. It would be easier to carry this barrel into the building rather than use an inclined plane this steep. And let's see what happens when it goes down the inclined plane. Well, it sure picked up speed, didn't it? Now, I have a challenge for you to do at home. Find a ruler, an eraser, and something that rolls. And then play with your ruler, which will be your inclined plane, against the eraser on different sides. You can have it this way, the short side, you can have it this way, the long side, and see what happens to the thing that you're rolling down the plane. Your second challenge is to go around your house and find as many inclined planes as you can. Count them. And the third challenge, use the link below to go to the museum's digital collection and see if you can find inclined planes among our artifacts. Have fun!